Hi viewers. Welcome to Top 10 Most Luxury, where you can find the most luxury that you can find. Yeah. Without further ado, here are the top 10 most luxury yachts in the world. Number 10. Octopus Super Yacht. Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen owns a 414-foot yacht dubbed the Octopus. It has 41 suites and cost a whopping $200 million to build. The Octopus comes with a pool, 2 helicopters, and a movie theater. If that's not enough, there's also a basketball court and recording studio. Number 9. Al Mirqab, estimated about $250 million. Qatar's former Prime Minister, Hamad bin Jassim bin Jaber Al Thani, owns the Al Mirqab, a luxury yacht that can accommodate 24 people. The yacht won the Motor Yacht of the Year award in 2009. It has 2 VIP suites that each come with a bathroom, living room, and double bedroom. Number 8. The Dilbar Yacht. Dilbar Yacht estimated about $250 million. The world's largest yacht by gross tonnage at 15,917 tons. It was built for Alisher Usmanov, a Russian billionaire. The Dilbar has 2 helipads, an indoor swimming pool, and 300 square meters of living space. Number 7. The Al Said, estimated about $500 million. The expensive yacht is owned by the Sultan of Oman. It is 509 feet long, making it one of the biggest super yachts on the list. There's not much information about Al Said's different amenities. It does, however, have a concert hall that can fit a 50-piece orchestra. Number 6. Motor Yacht A, estimated about $440 million. Russian tycoon Andrei Malnishenko owns Motor Yacht A, which has 7 luxurious cabins that fit 14 guests. It also has 3 swimming pools, one of which has a glass floor, the perfect match with the luxury lifestyle. Number 5. The Serene Yacht. Estimated about $560 million. The luxury boat was purchased for €500 million in 2015 by Mohammed bin Salman, the Deputy Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia. The Serene is the largest yacht to have ever launched into Italian waters. Number 4. Rising Sun Yacht. Estimated about $590 million. David Geffen, a billionaire entertainment mogul, owns the Rising Sun, but he originally shared it with Larry Ellison, the founder of Oracle. The 454-foot super yacht comes with a basketball court and it can fit 18 guests. In April, Geffen hosted the Obamas on the Megalak. Number 3. The Azzam Yacht, estimated about $600 million. The world's biggest private super yacht. No one knows the owner, but many speculate it is owned by the royal family of Abu Dhabi. It reportedly has its own submarine with a missile defense system. Number 2. The Eclipse, estimated about $1.9 billion. Is the second largest yacht in the world and is owned by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich. This luxury yacht comes with 2 helicopter pads, 24 guest cabins, a disco hall, 2 swimming pools, and several hot tubs. Number 1. The History Supreme Yacht. Estimated about $4.8 billion. This mega yacht was made of solid gold and is the most expensive yacht in the world. It was reportedly sold to an anonymous Malaysian businessman in 2011. It comes with a glass-covered atrium for dining,